Babylon, an ancient Mesopotamian city-state in present-day Iraq, was initially a small town that grew in importance, becoming the capital of the Neo-Babylonian Empire under Hammurabi. It's famous for the Hanging Gardens, one of the 7 wonders of the ancient world. The city faced destruction by the Assyrians and was later rebuilt under Esarhaddon. Babylon then gained independence and flourished, especially during Nebuchadnezzar II's reign, known for constructing wonders like the Ishtar Gate and possibly the Hanging Gardens. In 539 BCE, Cyrus the Great of Persia captured Babylon by diverting the Euphrates River. Cyrus allowed various groups, including the Jews, to return to their lands, which is mentioned in the Old Testament. Under Persian rule, Babylon thrived as a center of learning and culture. However, over time, the city declined, and Alexander the Great took control in 331 BCE. Later, under the Parthian Empire, Babylon continued to diminish in significance.